Hi, this is my first review. Today I'm going to unbox the Reebok Smartwatch. I have just opened the outer box, but I haven't opened the watch yet. Let me quickly tell you a bit about it. It is a Reebok Smartwatch. It is a Reebok Smartwatch, and it has the incoming call feature. It got the full screen touch. It has a message notification. It got the remote camera, multiple dial, weather forecast, alarm reminder, sedentary reminders, and it is 967 waterproof, and it also calculated the steps. So I'm just going to open this for you. I don't know why it was like that. So let me quickly open this for you. Okay, it says it has a tip on this screen guard that says tips, please make a full charging before using a smartwatch, but I will just switch it on for you. I'll just remove this. Okay, it's not made in China, it is made in Hong Kong. Yeah, it looks good, it looks premium. Yeah, the strap is really soft, and it also has a tag here, which again has the pricing of 7,499, and it comes with this kind of a charger. Let me see where we have to put this. Okay, no, it's not going here. Okay, yeah, it goes perfect here. It has a magnet, and there's no adapter. Maybe you can use it with your existing adapters, or I'll just read the manual. It would probably suggest. And you have a manual here. I'll review this product once I use it, but right now I'm just doing the unboxing. So as per my experience, it looks good, it looks nice. I'll just wear it. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I am kind of liking it. It looks good, nice, smooth. But I'll review it later because I've just opened it, so I myself is not much aware of the product. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you will like it and you find it useful. And this is how its strap looks. Thank you.